Hi, my name is Michael Beshon. We are at 168 Jersey Swamp Road in my greenhouse. We are doing transplants of tomatoes, taking them out of the seed trays and putting them in 6-packs. My wife has always liked gardening, and she's always wanted a sunroom. So we had the opportunity to buy a greenhouse, and this was her sunroom. And then we just been going with it since. Gets her out of the house in the winter, come outside, get some sun. You're in a nice warm greenhouse. This will be our 3rd year going into it. So if you can imagine there's snow on the ground, walking outside in your front yard into a warm greenhouse and planting flowers in the middle of winter. That's nice. Makes the winters go by quicker. Everybody's like looking for green grass, and we come out here and it's green already. I grew up on a farm. I've always done the crops on the farm. I've always grown stuff. I always had a garden as a child. It gets in your blood. It's part of who we are. We'd rather be out here planting stuff and growing stuff, and this is our enjoyment.